I'm Officer Cassie Schaefer with the Ohio State University Police Division.
Well, the project is a follow-up video to the Surviving an Active Shooter video that we did.
Police!
And basically it's a more detailed explanation of what to do in a crisis should there be an active aggressor on campus. This is really where your heart started to pick up a little bit.
Yeah.
We started filming the second week in May, right after classes had let out.
You may choose to hide in another room.
Essentially, we had about 3 main locations. We probably had a cast that was somewhere in the neighborhood of about 10 people. Also, we were dealing with the actual police officers who were not actors. Those were actual officers that came in and gave their expertise.
Police will immediately respond.
We're going to go through it again,
okay.
Maybe a couple more times.
It's very different from what I normally do. It kind of opened my eyes to all the different things that the video can do for our community.
It was interesting. I'm used to being the voice that's heard and not seen, so it was quite a bit different for me this time, but it was fun to do.
Here, so we can help notify your fellow Buckeyes. I think the content is spot on. I think that for civilians, if we can get them into that place where they're thinking about it ahead of time, they know how to identify their options, then we've done a really good job of getting them trained before something happened.
Take a step in, there you go. Stop right there.
We really wanted it to feel authentic. You know, we didn't want it to feel that it was sort of overly dramatized or melodramatic. We wanted it to feel like these people were in the situation and that it was believable, so that you weren't being pulled out of the situation and you were able to just digest the information. It was a great honor to be able to produce something like this. It was going to be something that was going to be used for the public safety of everybody on campus, and not just for this year, but years to come. We really wanted it to be something that we would be proud of, the university would be proud of.